Hi guys, Matt Bauer from Bauer Tree Equipment with another thrilling how-to video. This time we stepped out of the shop because yesterday the AC unit to my house stopped working. So I'm going to show you something real quick. What this thing did was the fan stopped spinning and the compressor is making a lot of noise because it was overheating. And although the fan in the house kept blowing air, it wasn't right. So we turned it off, talked to a few people. This is a capacitor, and you see the swelling at the top here. Apparently these things are a lot like a coil in an automobile, and when they pop like that, like an overpressured beer can, you got an issue. So what this does is it provides enough power to get the fan rolling from a dead stop, I think, anyway. And where it is the back of here. All right, I had to crawl behind the machine, pull this panel off. Before you get in here, turn all the power off. And that was it right there. Talked to an AC guy, explained to him what we were doing, what was going on. And he seemed to think this would be the problem. And he was right. I took a picture of it, sent him in. He said, yeah, it's your capacitor. I went over, picked it up, plugged it in, and now it works fine. So anyway, that saved us a lot of headache. It's going to be, I don't know, a week before my other AC guy could get here. So that's that. And remember to turn the power off whenever you work on electrical appliances. Don't be afraid to ask questions. And take care of it yourself. All right. Say goodbye. Booty. Shop dog follows me everywhere.